Hello everyone. In this lecture we will understand mean, mode and median. So first we are going to understand what is mean. Mean is the average value of given observation. To find mean we will use equation x bar, as mean is denoted as x bar. We will sum all the observation. We will take summation of all the observation, that is x1, x2, xn in this case, and dividing with the number n, that is the number of observation, we will get x bar. So here we have taken one example. We have taken 8 observation, that is 24, 28, 29, 30, 25, 27, 25 and 26. We will take summation of all this observation, and there is a total 8 number of observations, so we will divide this observation with 8, so we will get mean as 26.75. so that will be the procedure to find mean. Next thing is mode. Mode is the value that occurs frequently in the given series or given observation. So there is suppose 8 observation, 24, 28, 29, 30, 25, 27, 25 and 26. In this given observation, value of 25 occurs 2 times in this series. So 25 will be the mode of this series or this observation. So here in this way we can find mode of the given observation. Next thing is median. Median is very important thing, and procedure to find median is also very important. So median is the magnitude of the middle class, or it is the middle value of the observation. So median is the observation at which half of the value is above that observation and half is the below that observation. So if we have observations like 24, 28, 29, 30, 25, 27 and 25 and 26, first we need to order these 8 observation in ascending order. So we will get 25, 25, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. So we have ordered this observation in ascending order. Now we can observe that there is a 2 value or 2 figures, that is 26 and 27 as middle observation, and we can see that there is a 26 and 27 is the middle observation. 3 observation, that is 28, 29 and 30 is above that, and 24, 25, 25 is below that 2 observation. So if there is a 2 observation or 2 figures is the as a middle value, then we can find median as summation of these 2 observation, that is 26 plus 27, and divide this 2 observation with the help of 2. We will get median as 26.5. So median will be the value at which half of the observation is above and half of the observation is below that value. So please remind that for given series of observation, we need to order this observation in ascending order, and then we can find median. So I think this is very much clear to you. So in this lecture we have understand the procedure of finding mean, mode and median. If you have any doubt, you can ask in comment section. Thank you very much.